Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm in, Minecraft. Interesting. We're going to be thinking about division and we're going to be using Minecraft to help us think about it. Why are we in Minecraft? Well, I like playing Minecraft and it's also a great tool to help us visualize our maths. So I'm going to be placing some things. We're going to be building some stuff today, maybe, and let's just see how we go. All right, so I want to start. I've got just a basic division problem. 56 divided by 7. So what that's actually asking me is that if I have 56, say, cobblestone here, and if I break that into 7 even groups, how big will each group be? Or how much cobblestone will be in each group? So I'm going to divide this 56 into 7 even groups. I'm going to divvy them up. So I'm just going to make 7 groups and then I'm going to evenly distribute them. So let's do that now. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to give 1 block separation between each of them. Or I should be counting. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now I'm going to keep going. Well, I might start over here and then I will go backwards. Okay, so I finished, and if I look at it from this direction here, I can see that I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups. Now I need to count how many is in each group. Now, because this is Minecraft, I'm going to go from a different angle. And I'm going to look at it and, oh, look, that looks just like an array. This is something that we've looked at in the past before. Okay, so we've got an array now of, if we count the bottom or top going across, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then going up and down. So that's 7 groups. Now we go up and down. How many are in each group? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we've got 7 groups of 8. So 56 divided by 7 is 8. Now, this is an interesting thing about division, is that if I was to rotate myself, and this is almost as though I've rewritten the question, is 56 divided by 8. So now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 groups. And how many are in each group? So 56 divided by 8 is, well, 7. That's interesting. Notice something else. 7 groups of 8 is 56. So division is just backwards multiplication. If we can think about our times tables, if I was really familiar with my 7 or 8 times tables, I might have already been able to guess that 56 divided by 7 was 8. Let's try another problem. Okay, so this time I've got 20 wooden planks. Now, let's say I want to break it into 5. Okay, so I want to break 20 into 5. Maybe I want to build 5 trees, 5 pretend trees, and I want to know how tall they would be. 5 wooden towers, I would want to know how tall they could be. So I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm going to divvy it up into 5 even groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can see I've got 5 even groups. Now I'm going to continue to separate them just to make it easier to see. And I'm going to divvy up the rest of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've made 5 groups of 4. So 20 divided by 5, or 20 into 5 even groups, is 4. I've got 4 in each group. So 20 divided by 5 is 4. And now notice this. Let's say I wanted to make groups of, or 4 even groups instead. I could flip it like this. And now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Interesting. So let's say take 20 divided by 5 is 4. 20 divided by 4 is 5. Notice how we can switch the number that we're dividing with by our solution, that's something that we can do in division. Pretty cool. I could do this with real objects as well. I could also draw out a number if I wanted to. It might get a little tricky when we get to very big numbers, but this strategy will work. You don't have to do it in Minecraft. You can draw it. You could use bits of Lego. You could use counters. You could use jelly beans. You could use rocks. Anything will help you to solve this one. So today we have learned how to represent division visually. Thanks for watching.